Great event today. One of a kind. The best gem.
Masarap ang food.
Nabusog, nabusog.
Yes, nabusog lahat.
Ay, maraming salamat po.
Magpapakasal kami uli.
Gem po?
Kami ng gem. Yeah.
Ayun, thank you so much po.
Sobrang saya. Napakaganda nung mismong event, yung lugar, plus yung videos and photos talagang na-capture yung na-capture yung essence ng pagmamahal ng couple.
Best event ever. Amazing. Amazing. Napakaganda at saka organized. Ay, so hi. Kamusta yun lang naman sana yung naging experience mo sa Gem from Prep kasi our maid of honor until the end of the event. Kamusta?
Okay lang. Actually, higit pa sa okay lang eh. Maganda yung experience. Tapos, like from prep, especially dun sa, nag-ayos sa akin, nakakatuwa. Tsaka kay ate, very hands-on sila. Pagkagaling kong tupad, after nung morning ng tupad na yun, nasikaso agad kami. Tapos parang 10 a.m. yung shoot. In a time span of like 7 a.m. hanggang 10 a.m. Na-set up lahat. As in, sobrang friendly nung staff, tapos sobrang accommodating nila. And nakakatuwa lang, na parang first time ko maka-experience ng super hands-on na event. So, kudos